guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be playing Don't Press the Button with my BFF from school, Lazy Bear.
Hello!
She will not be posting a video on this,
Subscribe to her channel.
and make sure to go check out
I
her
will
channel,
not be filming a video today.
and make sure to
I
go,
will be filming a video today with her, but I am in the video, so yeah.
and make sure to go check out her channel, Lazy Bear Games. So yeah, and subscribe to the Rankers Gang. Okay.
Okay, hello, noob.
Oh, noob! Don't subscribe to her though. We don't know her, that's why. What was that laugh, bro?
Alright.
Okay, click the button.
Oh, damn
It's not letting me click it.
Damn it.
Oh, I don't like this. Hey, that dude.
You already clicked it.
Big head.
You already clicked it.
Big head. Oh,
Why can't I blow?
I don't. Oh, my head.
My dryer isn't working. My hair dryer.
No, I got blown off.
It's so much better when you play on computer. I almost did.
Wait, you're on iPad? As you see here. As you see here.
Yeah, I'm on iPad. No!
As you see over here in the top right corner, I am the richest in the server, and Frog, well, that's her name because she kind of looks like a frog. It is coming second, but I'm still beating everyone and coming first. Okay, that's one of the main things I worry about. Don't like when that happens. No. Oh, I made it. Bro, you guys saw that. I was on the red. How the heck did that? Oh my god. I was on the red and it didn't kill me until after. That's hilarious. Okay, cool, I was still loading. Oh, Victory Royale.
This sucks.
Okay, I got the button.
Okay.
So, oh wait, what?
Oh, I have gray.
You guys saw that? I did nothing and I got glitched off it. I got glitched off it like all the time. Oh.
I got a gray house thing.
Okay, you're moving a bit back. You're being really loud, boy. Oh wait, I think it just might be.
Me?
Yeah, you.
Well, that's good, so then they can hear me.
No, you're being loud to me, not to them, bro. You're still gonna have captions.
No, but if I'm being loud to you, then they'll be able to hear me.
Tsunami incoming, and I'm not gonna be able to do it because I have to reset my character. Okay.
Why?
Because I'm not. Oh, yep, I'm dead. I'm dead, boy.
Thanks.
I only died because I had to reset my character. But it'd be another tsunami incoming. You guys see here? Trivia question. Easy. This is easy, bro.
Easy. 20. Some kid probably clicked 21, like I was the meme.
21.
21.
Oh, it's this. No, I have low gravity. Yes, that other person has it worse than me. But I still have it pretty damn bad.
We're meant to have low gravity, Hazel.
I know, but I have it super high like always. Spin up. I'm still gonna win
Damn
this.
it. I was just killed. I was just AFK trying to pick something up. Then I dropped all over my coffin.
I died. I died. Jumpy, jumpy, jump, 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 jumpy, jumpy, jump, jump, jump. Hurry up, please. Please. Okay, need this diamond? Yes, I'm 2 away to buying something. Oh, I hate this galaxy.
Wait, you can buy something now?
No, I just need 2 more, 2 more diamonds to buy to go into practice.
I what?
I'm still deciding.
Oh, okay.
I'm probably gonna buy, actually, I don't know. You guys comment down below what I should buy, and I'll buy out of any of these actually. So fire, confetti, fireworks, bees, raining, money, happy noob, pizza, ducks, bubbles, question
speed coil.
marks, crazy studio logos,
What about a speed
binary
coil?
code.
What about a speed coil?
That costs Roblox, and
that's right.
Roblox logo. So whatever gets the most comments, I'll do, or I'll. Ooh, yeah,
How
I
did I
did.
die? I didn't get hit.
Or I would do like I would say each of them, and whichever gets the most likes, whenever I feel like it, probably in by my next video.
Oh, I have a sword.
Oh, you killed me.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, so whatever gets the most likes by the next video or the next comments with their name, with their name, I would buy with my 100 diamonds, which I do not have at the moment, but I will get. Okay. Oh, it's these things.
It's Doge.
I can't remember their name, bro.
It was like one of the biggest memes, bro.
Yeah, I know, but still.
I hate this because people kick it all over the place.
I just got kicked, not the thing. Me.
No, these people are annoying me. Get it in, dude. This person just kicked it past the goal. Oh my gosh, I hate this.
Why can't you just let one person? I'm getting in the goal.
Yeah, why can't it pick one person to do it? Like no one else can, just one person.
Maybe even 2.
No, don't push Doge up. Don't push him up. Yes, keep Doge.
Oh, it's that chef
No,
dude.
keep him. Keep him.
Hey, I died. Anyway, guys, I'm going to do a little thingy, my bobby, so I can call you guys something besides from guys, because like in bro. And so I'm gonna do a thing, whatever gets the most likes in 5 days, I will pick. Well, I won't pick, but you guys will pick
Actually, no, you should.
for me.
You guys should comment down. You should comment down suggestions.
Just comment down whatever you think I should call you guys, and I will call you that. But make sure it's not like rude or anything, because if it's rude, I will not pick that, even if it's got the most likes.
Yeah, so whatever comment has the most likes, that'll be the name that you'll pick.
Unless it's disrespectful or rude or anything.
Yeah.
I got 100 diamonds! Yes, guys!
Nice.
Okay, make sure you comment down below what I should buy from this shop, because I will, because I don't know.
And also a name.
Yes, and also a name. So they're the 2 things I would really like you guys to comment down below. And I would also really like it if you liked and subscribed. But I can't force you to do any of that stuff. I just really hope you do. Because I only have 2 subscribers at the moment. I only have 2 subscribers at the moment, which isn't that bad. Like, it isn't that bad for me, at least. But, yeah. My things aren't... Oh, yes, I am. No! I trapped myself. Legit, I trapped myself. And can you guys please not comment anything bad? And the only reason like why my name, like my YouTube name is Rangers Games, it's because I support Rangers. Because a lot of people bully them and that's rude, so I support them. Oh, it's this. Yes, we're both the same colour.
Right now.
Yeah, exactly. And I've got bullied a lot for my hair colour.
Which is very dumb.
Yeah, like, you don't
People
get
shouldn't
to
be bullying
decide.
people for their hair color.
I know. Or anything, actually. You
Yeah,
shouldn't
people
bully.
It's like, this person is so annoying.
They're doing their job. Get some of the floors.
I know, but it's annoying me.
I know.
Because he's making us lose.
Oh, blue team won. Is
Whenever
that...
I'm playing with you, I'm on the red team, but whenever I'm playing by myself, I'm on the blue team.
Literally, I am the same. Tsunami incoming! Okay.
Ah, I can't move. I'm glitching.
It's fine. It's
I
just...
hate when that happens.
Ah, I'm not gonna die because I made it to the top, but I'll try jumping over. Oh wait, no, you glitched.
Okay, I made it. I made it like at the last second.
The tsunami was still there on my screen. Okay, let's see how much diamonds I can make it up to by the end of this video.
Oh.
Victory Royale! It's time for a trivia question.
How to do this? Hazel.
Okay guys, so no longer that Lazy Bear can play because she had to leave, because it is that time of like day where most people have to leave. So anyway, she has to leave, so we will just be playing and hopefully we win this, even though we will not, because I'm about to die. Yep. Anyway, I did it. So sorry about that, but next video I promise that you will be in it, but it might be a bit scary, maybe, because we're both into scary stuff. Anyway, so I will have to go soon anyways, because my device is about to go flat. As you see, it is not charging. Oh, and 10%. What, not a surprise. Okay, 10. Oh, I'm on red again. We're doing that, color the wall, like color the stuff again.
Oh, the tiles. Yeah, color tiles.
And I'm just doing the floor because everyone goes for the walls. Anyway, probably after this one I might go, but I'll see what's next. And this dude is annoying me. He's glitching, so I have to like... Yeah, blue team's won this. See? Blue team won. And I got 10 points. Anyway, I'm gonna say goodbye. Anyway, quick reminder, don't forget to comment down what I should call you, but make sure it's not mean, and what I should buy from here. Anyway, this game is called Don't Press the Button. I totally recommend it. So yeah, that's all. Yeah, you do my wavy emote because why not?